Hey friends, in this video we will be analyzing why we did see a fundamentally decline in the prices for the Bitcoin and what we are expecting for it to do. Rather a bounce towards the resistance or a dump towards the support of 25,000. So coming on to the fundamentals, so the major reason for the Bitcoin to rise was the Elon Musk tweet that the Tesla would accept Bitcoin, but on 14 April he suddenly knew that the Bitcoin was causing an environmental impact which was negative. So he tweeted that the Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin for the near future. That due to which we did see a panic sale off, then a retest towards the resistance or a retracement towards the resistance. Then we did see that the China has clamped the Bitcoin mining in its many of its region, due to which we again see a panic sell off. And the ultimate reason for the decline for the Bitcoin was on 16 June that the Fed has announced that in the near future it would increase the interest rate, due to which we can see that the investors for liquidity has sold their bitcoins, and the cost of borrowing is higher due to would be higher due to the increase in interest rate, due to which we can see that the investors are liquidating their investment in other financial market too, rather another financial market also, such as stock market, forex and crypto, due to which we again see an loss of, again we see that the investors has lost their confidence, and we did see a decline in the prices for the Bitcoin. Now coming on to the technical perspective, what we are expecting is that rather a Bitcoin would rebound towards 41,000 resistance or a dump towards 25,000 support. So what we can accept first, if we pull up the Fibonacci retracement, the image would be more clearer. Let's pull that out. This is the support. So what we can see is that the market has currently retested the current support or the major support, which is in range of 29,000, and for the first time the market did cross the level of 30,000 since January 2021. So we did see a rebound, and we can see that the Bitcoin is recovering from its recent losses, and what we can see or what we are expecting is that the Bitcoin would be targeting the area of this resistance zone, and there are a chances of some around 80 to 90% of the market for the Bitcoin would continue its upwards movement till this particular resistance, which is in range of 42,000 till some around 43,000. And we can also see on Fibonacci retracement that this is an golden ratio, which is 38%, thus confirming that we would potentially saw a retracement towards this particular area. So fundamentally why we are more bullish for the Bitcoin is that there is no major sell off or no major bearish news coming out in the near future, and after a huge sale off from some around 43,000 till some around 64,000 till some around 30,000, we haven't seen a significant pullback. Thus if the market did a retracement and continued its bearish momentum downwards, so the market would make a major retracement first, which would be upwards. Thus we are more bullish for the Bitcoin as the market hasn't made any significant retracement. Now coming on to the another theory, which is on RSI, what we can potentially see is that the market is making a divergence, which is a regular bullish divergence. Let me remove the support. And let me take out the trend lines. Market is making a lower low movement in the Bitcoin. However, the RSI is showing an higher low momentum. This suggests that the market is causing a divergence for the Bitcoin, and what from this we could accept, or the what divergence theory or the regular bullish divergence theory suggests that whenever this kind of divergence occurs, this suggests that the market would potentially rebound, and the trend which is continuing for the Bitcoin, which is bearish, would be reversed, and we would potentially see a bullish trend in the Bitcoin. Thus, we are more bullish for the Bitcoin. Now coming on to the where we should trigger our now coming on to the place where we should trigger our long positions for the Bitcoin. So if we trigger our long position somewhere around 33,000 with our stop losses just below the support line some around 29,500 with a take profit of this particular resistance zone, this would approx give us a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. Do keep in mind we could potentially hit our take profit within an hour, or it could take maximum it would take some around a week to hit our take profit. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below, and thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, so do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.